Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the thermal paste on your Dell Vostro 5000 series laptop. This is an essential maintenance task that can significantly improve your device's performance and prevent overheating. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, a lint-free cloth, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will ensure that you can perform the task safely and effectively. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial to avoid any electrical damage while you work. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by a heatsink. You may need to remove additional screws to detach the heatsink. Again, use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Once the heatsink is removed, you will see the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Using the lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol, carefully clean off the old thermal paste. Ensure that both surfaces are free from any residue, as this will allow the new thermal paste to adhere properly. Now it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Squeeze a small amount of thermal paste onto the center of the CPU and GPU. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Before reassembling your laptop, take a moment to check for any dust or debris inside. Cleaning the internal components can help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your laptop is in good hands. Once everything is clean and the thermal paste is applied, carefully reattach the heatsink and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Then, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws. Finally, reinsert the battery if applicable and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is working effectively. If you encounter any issues or if this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Our service includes no calls, no travel, and you will receive a quote before any repair is undertaken. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the thermal paste on your Dell Vostro 5000 series laptop, enhancing its performance and extending its lifespan. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in maintaining your device. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.